Hi viewers, today our topic is ultrastructure of thylakoid. In last class, we discussed about the chloroplast structure. Chloroplast is a cell organelle. It contains the two major parts. The thylakoid part of the chloroplast is called as grana. This is a granum. The number of granums are present here. Nearly in a chloroplast 10 granums are present. These granums are linked with the or connected with the tubular structures. Those are called as stroma lamella. The first one is the grana. Second one is the stroma lamella. The third part, that is the liquid portion, the fluid which is present in the chloroplast, those are that portion is called as, it consists the proteins, lipids, starch granules and other fluid or minerals. This portion is called as stroma. Grana, stroma lamellae and stroma. These are the three major parts present in the chloroplast. The grana, where the light reaction takes place here. In stroma also same. These both are helps in light reaction. Then third one, stroma, that is the dark reaction takes place in this liquid portion of the chloroplast. So first we know about the ultrastructure of thylakoid. So where the light reaction takes place, what is happened in thylakoid and what is the structure of the thylakoid. So I draw here a thylakoid. It is a single thylakoid. Thylakoid, where the light reaction takes place here, it is a flattered sac-like structure. It is a sac and flattered sac-like structure covered by two specific membranes. Two specific membranes, the membrane and the inner portion, that is the chamber. There are two parts in the thylakoid. One is the membrane. Second one is the inner chamber is called as lumen. Membrane and lumen. The membrane is the first part. It contains the number of proteins, lipids and pigments. Pigments, you know about the pigments, chlorophylls, carotenoids. These are the pigments which are present in the membrane of thylakoid. These are helps in the light reaction. So up to 20th century, that means before 1963, scientists said that these two membranes are lipoprotein membranes as same as the trilamellar model. But in 1963, the scientists, both scientists, Park and Pan, they said that it is not a trilamellar model. The total membrane it is made up of the number of small granules. These are the half-moon structures. Number of small granules are present. It consists that means the granules are the proteins, enzymes and the pigments. These structures are, they given the name, that is integrated globular subunits. They call these units integrated globular subunits. First they given the name integrated globular subunits. It's also called as quantasomes. These units are quantasomes. These units are called as quantasomes. That means the membrane is completely covered with the quantasomes. The quantasome is a basic unit for the light reaction. Where the light reaction takes place here. See, first we know about what is quantasome. What are the materials are present in the quantasome? This is a quantasome. The length of the quantasome is the measure. See, the length of the quantasome is nearly 180 angstrom units. Then breadth of the quantasome is 160 angstrom units. And the thickness of the nearly 100 angstrom units. These are the measures of a quantasome. The length of the quantasome is 180 angstrom units. The width, that means wideness of the quantasome is 160 angstrom units, and thickness of the quantasome is nearly 100 angstrom units. This quantasome consists according to Park and Pan, these are the granule structures called as quantasomes. These quantasomes contain the number of materials inside here. These circular structures are called as pigments. Pigments and enzymes, proteins. Enzymes, proteins and pigments, these are present in a quantasome. Nearly here in a single quantasome, 230 chlorophyll pigments are present. How many? 230 to 250. So 230 to 250. In a single quantasome, 230 to 250 chlorophyll pigments are present, and remaining other pigments, carotenoids, phycobilins, here enzymes, proteins and other materials are present in the quantasome. With the help of these proteins and pigments, the light reaction takes place here. So this is about the structure of the quantasome. First we know about the chloroplast. It is a single portion, that is grana. In the granum, a single part is called as thylakoid. This part is thylakoid. In thylakoid, it is consisting of two parts. One is the membrane, second one is the lumen. So now first part, that is the membrane. In 1963, the scientists given a specific name which are present in the membrane. Those are quantasomes. These are the functional units of the light reaction. So Park and Pan, they are given the quantasome name. So it is called as quantasome concept. Okay. So in the single quantasome, here the number of materials are present. Those are pigments, enzymes and proteins. That all the types of pigments are present here. Nearly in a single quantasome, 230 to 250 chlorophyll pigments are present here. So major pigments which can participate in the light reaction. Then second part. Now we are finished the first part. There is a membrane. It contains the quantasome. Quantasome contains the pigments. Then second part, that is lumen. The second part of the thylakoid structure, here it is the sac or chamber, that is lumen. lumen contain the water and number of minerals. Manganese, chlorine, potassium, like minerals are present here. Water and minerals both are present in the lumen. This portion also helps in the light reaction. So we know about the light reaction. First, before going to study about the light reaction, first we know about the chloroplast structure, then ultrastructure of thylakoid. That means in thylakoid, quantosome. The quantosome contain the pigments. The pigments are helps in the light reaction. As same as here, water and minerals also present in the lumen. This portion also helps in the light reaction. Okay. So this is about the ultrastructure of thylakoid. Okay. I think it is very easy to you understand. So now we finish here. In next class we will discuss about the further part, that is the which is useful in light reaction. Okay. Okay, friends. Bye.